for showcasing your talent here on stage.
Once again, give it up for the cruise kanina.
Yes, and welcome to Davao City Off Limits.
Grabe, no? Welcome sa inyo. And of course, napakasarap tingnan kanina, especially when the crowd is going crazy. Lalo na sa isang crew natin, yung mga bagets. Sobrang sarap sa feeling na makita kayo na nag-enjoy din because of what they are showing. But tonight, Joey, hindi lang mag-enjoy. Kasi meron din tayong mga individuals or guests na pwede mag-uwi ng prizes.
Yes.
Gusto niyo ba yan? Ay, parang ayaw niyo yata manalo eh. Kasi guys, we will be giving away prizes.
Yes,
First of
Kaser.
all, we will give 200 peso
Wow.
voucher from facility. So if you want to go circuit training, kickboxing, or grappling, pwede kayong mag-uwi niyan. We will also have 100 pesos off from Beanstalk Coffee. So sa mga mahilig mag-caffeine dyan, galingan nyo mamaya. And of course, a total of 20% discount voucher from Tech Advice Solutions and Services.
At kaya naman, Kaser, pupunta ako ngayon sa audience para magtanong. Eto na, syempre dapat may audience participation tayo.
Ayan, so eto, napakadali lang nung mga gagawin ni Joey. So,
Yes, sige, may tatanungin ako dito. Eto na lang. Ay, hello po! Hi! Good evening!
Good evening, followers.
Hello, followers! Eto ang tanong ko. Sino ang favorite character mo sa Winnie the Pooh?
Si Pooh.
Bakit naman si Pooh?
Wala lang.
Wala lang daw. Wala lang. Pwede na ba yun nasagot? Wala lang dahil gusto...
Kasi the character itself, of course.
The character itself daw. So, thank you so much. Ayan. Eto na. Ay! Siyempre,
ayan. Please came with a prize. Congratulations.
dito naman tayo.
And now, Joey, isa pa. Kuha ka pa ng isa pa.
Gusto ko lang din batiin ang ating... Ay! Hello po, Sir Oscar Kasaysay and Sir Alan Yoka. Good evening po. Salamat po sa pagpunta dito. At dahil dyan, magtatanong ako dito. Hello po. Ayan.
Kamahadlok man sila sa imuha.
Ano
oy.
kanino? Eto na. Sino sa Winnie the Pooh na character ang gusto mo?
I think si Piglet.
Piglet daw sa kanya. Bakit naman?
Kasi he's very just go with the flow lang siya. He's not really about thinking about anything. So that's what I adore about the character.
Wow! Batang 90s ata to kasi alam na alam niya. Thank you so much dahil dyan nanalo ka. Ayan, kay Sir.
Ayan, congratulations dun sa mga, kumbaga, nag-share lang kayo ng mga favorite characters nyo sa Winnie the Pooh cast. Tapos ngayon meron na kayong premyo. Pero wait, there's more kasi hindi pa siya natatapos. Kasi bubunot kami ng 3 winners of yung mga nabanggit ko na prizes kanina. Starting off with, saan pa nila makikita to, Joey?
Ayan.
Sa tickets nila.
Sa tickets nila.
So please, ilabas niyo yung mga tickets niyo. Our first winner. Ayan. Eto, to win 200 pesos from facility is ticket number
0507.
0507. You've just win yourself 200,000. 200 lang, 200 pesos from facility. Makatapal mo na. Ayan, nasan yung winner natin? Come on. Dapat i-validate, ayun, kay Kuya Gilbert na lang. Ayan, and if you're wondering kung bakit Winnie the Pooh, tingnan nyo lang yung mga nakasuot ng dilaw. On the back of the shirt, nandyan yung explanation para malaman nyo kung ano.
Last 2.
And by the way, singit ko lang before I state the name of the winner or the number of the winner. Thank you nga pala sa Nam Nam Delights, Backtop, and of course, Tribe Sounds and Lights. Maraming salamat po. This is your next winner to win 100 pesos or 100 peso discount from Beanstalk Coffee. Ticket number
0675.
0675. Come on down and claim your prize. Ayan, congratulations.
Last one.
Last one. Nasaan ba? Nandyan ba si 0675? Okay, continue tayo. Please, kung nasa labas, baka umihi, lumapit lang kayo sa ating floor director to claim your prize. And last but not the least, to win 20% discount voucher from Tech Advice Solutions and Services is ticket number
0425.
0425! Congratulations to all of our winners! Napakasaya naman ang gabing nito. Hindi lang kayo nag-enjoy, nanalo pa kayo ng different prizes. And now, wag na natin patagalin to. Ngaya nga nang sabi ko, bakit Winnie the Pooh? Kasi nakita natin sa social media, nabasa ko rin yon, na according to psychology, may mga deeper meanings din pala talaga. Kumbaga, hindi natin naiisip yan when we are still young, but now, kumbaga, it became relevant. Na hindi lang siya cartoons, but it sets different principles and lessons to all of us. Tama, Joey?
Yes, Kaiser. Let's not keep everyone waiting. Now, Kaiser, let's get to know the characters of Winnie the Pooh.